Oh, it broke my windshield wiper. Hopefully it didn't break the arm. I don't think it broke the arm. Well, I won't be getting out, that's for sure. Need for me to clean this out if I can't get out. Wow, well, that ain't that bad, but if it falls anymore, I'll be done. So look at this, you can't even see up the street. We're talking about, we're now at what, going on 11 inches? We're going on a foot right now. So let me walk over here and check out the neighbors to see if they're okay, see what's going on. But I know I won't be getting out anytime soon. So there you have it. But somebody's been through here. Guess I'll have to take my trees off. All right. Look at this. Foot of snow, over a foot.
Problem right here. This is day 2 of no power, and it's now 14 degrees. But yeah, Shannon, if you can pull up a little bit, look at this. The power lines, the trees are on the power lines right there. That could be our problem right here. Oh, that's not good. Not good at all.
Back out here to see what's going on this morning. I was just out on the road. Thank God one of my neighbors came over to see if I needed any help making it out up to the grocery store. But now this is where I was standing yesterday, and we couldn't see all the way up to the beginning of the road. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk up here to see what they have going on. Again, good morning to you all. Well, actually the temperature has picked up a little bit. What's going on, man? And there's my neighbor who helped me out. Huh? Oh yeah? You don't want to get comfortable, huh? I'm gonna run up here and see what's going on the main road real quick. I'm gonna walk up here and see what's going on the main road real quick. Yeah. So right now we don't have too many people out here shoveling, which they should be. But I'm coming up here, and that was my neighbor that I was just talking to just now who helped me come out and get to the store to get some extra wood and some fire logs. Good morning. How's it going? So, if you don't have to drive out here, I tell you right now, don't go out here because there's a lot of people broke down, stuck at trying to get into the stores. There's ice everywhere in all the parking lots. Everything is bad, and the back roads look exactly like this road right here. And there's not any room for 2 cars to pass. So what's going on is everybody having to pull over so they can squeeze by each other. So this is where we at right here. So see how bad the way this road looks is exactly how the back road looks. So you really can't get out. So this is where we at. I'm not gonna walk around the entire neighborhood. Come out here. So let me take my GoPro off. So now you can see. Yeah, last night it was freezing. Oh my God, I let my fireplace run for a minute, a little longer than a minute, to maybe about 9 o'clock, and then I just said, you know what? To keep it running, you have to keep getting up, keeping the fire going, and all that. So after that, I just said, you know what? Enough of this. I'm going to bed. I'm not going to be able to do it. So, but this morning, woo! You talking about cold? It was freezing. Good God Almighty! And then my neighbor knocks on the door, and he's, "Hey, you need to get out?" Yeah, let's rock and roll. So up to the store we go. But I mean, that was perfect. That was perfect. So you have a lot of good people out here. Again, if you take care of your neighbors, they take care of you, and it's a beautiful thing because I had no way to get out. As this road, we can't get the cars out through here. Almost everything out there that I seen today was either SUVs or pickup trucks. Anybody that was in cars, they were sliding across the road. There was very few cars out there, period. So, but that's what I really need. What the guy has over here is a generator. So, I mean, I don't have one, but I do have a fireplace, so that helps. But that's not going to help when it comes. If your power is out and you have a deep freezer or refrigerator, don't open them. Right now, like I said, it's 33, and the temperature's dropping back down again to 25. So let's see where we go. My GoPro onto my rear view mirror. Never thought about this before until just now. Perfect idea. Great move. Go ahead and slap myself on the back. That's what we're talking about. Yes, sir. So the longer the sun stays out, the better off we are. As you can see, it's mostly pickup trucks out here and SUVs. So I did pretty good getting out, getting back up that hill. I may have to go through the other neighborhood beside me.